Oh, hi guys. Okay, so if you're like me and have a 2010 Civic or maybe even an Acura or something else that is interchangeable with those years of door check straps, your doors are probably closing on your legs and hitting you in the ass when you're trying to put your groceries or your kid in the back seat, or just closing on you all the time. I don't even look when I'm walking away from my car. I just get out and walk away, and I know the door is going to close on its own, which is good, except for when it's bad. So um, Honda likes to charge a lot of money for these, and I kind of was in denial about the front and back being different. They're different. Are right and left different? This is what I wanted to know. So I've ordered all of them. The back doors are from Honda. They're different from the front for sure. There's more notches in the front. There's only two in the back. But right to left of the car, I'm not so sure that they're different. They are the same amount of notches. They've got the same bend in them. So there's this light curve. You can see this light curve here going to the door. It's not just a straight bar. But I'm pretty sure, you know, if I take this one and flip it over that way, now it's for the right door. So yeah, if you're wanting to save your money, maybe just get two passenger side ones. I don't even think there's much of a bend here in the rod. If I put it against that line on my hardwood floor, it doesn't really look like it curves that way either. So why they have different part numbers for all of these, God knows. I don't know. But you don't, I think, need to have the right and the left. You can just right, left. I think you can just flip it over. Good luck.